Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to teach you on how to fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps. First thing you need to do is to make sure that you are using a stable and reliable internet connection. You can check this by using an internet speed tester. Check your Wi-Fi or internet connection and make sure that it is working properly. Next, try checking if your date and time is set correctly. Having an incorrect date and time settings can also cause issues when you are using the Microsoft Store. Make sure that you set it to automatically. Next, try to clear the cache of your Microsoft Store. To do that, click the search icon below, then search for Run, and open the app. Next, type this, and hit Enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store cache. Next, try to disable your VPN if you are using one. But if not, then try to use a VPN if that will solve the issue. Another method you can try is to check if your storage has enough space. Low disk will result in the issue that apps are not being downloaded to your PC. Last method I can share to you guys is to try disabling your antivirus temporarily. If you're using a third-party antivirus, try to disable it for a while and try to check if that will fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.